Armia and welcome back to my channel. So for today's video I wanted to bring you guys some really comfortable bottoms that go with almost all of your outfits. You can wear them on a day-to-day basis and it also suits all body types. So no matter if you have pear, hourglass, athletic, apple or inverted triangle body type, you can wear these bottoms and you will slay the look. They are very comfortable plus at an affordable price. So I have some denims and skirts right over here and let's get started. So first of all, I have these bottoms, these denims right over here. So this one has this one distress part over here. Overall this jeans ki fitting is really nice. It's high waisted and you have this pattern over here which gives you the illusion of a slimmer waist if you have an hourglass or a pear shaped body. And even for athletic body types, this one is really good because this gives you the illusion of a slimmer waist. When I said all body types, it means if you wear this, it will add a dimension to your waist area, it will accentuate your waist, it will show up your waist. So if you do not have any other elements in your outfit, this will just do the job. Okay, next talking about the quality and the fabric, it's really nice. It's a good quality denim and its color is somewhere around faded blue. It's not exactly dark blue or light blue, so that is also very versatile since it will flatter every body type. So as you know, in my previous video I've also talked about this कि अगर आपके pear shape body and hourglass body है, you need to go for darker color jeans since it will give you the illusion of a taller height and a slimmer waist. And अगर आपकी athletic body type है या rectangle body type है या apple shape body type hai, then you need to go for lighter colors because that will push the attention towards your jeans because lighter colors attract attention and dark color jeans just push away your attention from your legs. Since pear shape and hourglass bodies have a heavier bottom, that means wearing darker color jeans will draw the attention away from the bottom part, and if you are wearing some kind of embellishment tops or any kind of t-shirt, it will draw the attention towards that. That is why I said this one is super versatile because it's not exactly light or it's not exactly dark, it's somewhere in the middle, and that is why it's going to complement every body type. And since I have a pear shape body type, it complements my body type, so I'm pretty sure it will complement every other pear shape and hourglass body type out there. Guys, I ordered this in size 28. I ordered this in size 28 and since it's high waist, इसकी length भी काफ़ी अच्छी आती है, like it goes below your ankles, so it all again gives you the illusion of a taller height. अगर आपने इसको अपने chunky sneakers के साथ pair किया है या block heels के साथ या any kind of heels के साथ pair किया है, it will give you the illusion of a taller height. And since for petite body types also really nice since we want height, certain height in our looks, so this is really good for that. I usually go for somewhere around 29-30. But इसमें I order 28 and it's very comfortable for me. If you go for 30, just go for 30. It will be very comfortable. But lately I think I've lost some weight. Maybe, I don't know. But yeah, 28 is fitting me very nicely. I'll be inserting, sorry about the light, but I will also be inserting some video clips and pictures of me wearing it with different tops. So you'll get an idea कि how it will look with different kind of tops. And you can obviously pair it with your normal white color के t-shirts, your linen shirts अगर आप पहनते हो, and आप tank top के साथ unbuttoned shirt भी पहन सकते हो, और tops like this will also work. I have actually paired it with this top in one of my videos. I'll also attach it over here. And just literally anything, just make sure that you're pairing it with your block heels or chunky sneakers or any kind of good heels if you are a petite body type. But if you are someone who's tall, even if you're adding some kind of sandals underneath, it will still work for you. And I think that is about it for these denims. Really love the quality. It's a 10 out of 10 from my side and comfort level भी काफी अच्छा है. So the price I got it on is 1500 rupees and obviously they fluctuate a lot. It might increase or decrease. So I'm just telling you the price that I bought it on, and I'll link the code over here. Use the code WISHLINK in caps to get a certain percentage off on your orders, and I'll also link it down below, so do check it out. So yeah, that's about it, and now let's move on to the next product. Now moving on to the next denim which you all seriously went crazy about, and I don't know, I have received over 1000 requests for the link of these jeans, and I've already talked about this in my previous haul as well, but let's just do it again because you guys seem to love this one. So this is again the jeans that I got. This one is again from Urbanic and it has got this peachy stars embellishments at the back, and the comfort level for this one is really nice, and it's almost been a year since I bought this and its quality It's very nice. It has been washed so many times, but the quality is still great. I'll obviously insert some clips of me wearing the jeans, but it's so good. This one works with all of my tops and blouses and literally looks good with every single thing. And its comfort level is unmatched. Whenever I feel like going out and I want to be comfortable in what I'm wearing, I literally choose this one over every single thing because the comfort level for this one is insane. And I think I bought this in size 28 or 30. I don't remember, and इसमें लिखा भी नहीं हुआ है, but yeah, somewhere around that. So it's true to size, and I think that's about it. I'll insert some pictures of me wearing this as well. And honestly, इसका price I don't really remember it clearly because it's been a year, as I said, but I think it was somewhere around 1200-1300 rupees. So again, very affordable. And now let's move on to the next product. Okay, so for the next product, I have this dark colored jeans. This is again by this brand New Me, which I yesterday posted a video with their dresses, and I loved the quality. And again, iski quality is also, I'm pretty amazed by it. Iska comfort level is very nice, and I think I got this in size medium, but it was loose for me, like around the waist. It was extremely loose on me, so I think I would size down for this one. But again, iska comfort level is out of this world, unmatched. And I'll again share some clips of me wearing it with different tops. Again, इसकी length भी काफ़ी अच्छी है. So then again, it's perfect for petite body types, since you can just add chunky sneakers and block heels and you'll be good to go. So wide leg jeans में no matter what color it is, it will suit all body types. So this one is in dark color and it looks great on me, but the previous one that I showed you, it was in light color, but still it looked good on me. Since this is wide leg, no matter what body type you have, you can wear it. I totally forgot to tell you guys the price for this one. So this one is only for 900 rupees, literally half the price of the previous one. So maybe if you're on a budget, you can definitely go for this one. So for the next product, I have this ruffled skirt. Looks so cute. This one gives off such powerful French aesthetic vibe. I'll insert some inspo pictures right over here. Ki, I wanted to style it in this way. Actually, when I first saw this, I was like, maybe I can style it as a dress as well, but you can't. Okay, because it's pretty short. I said this one is the front of the dress, and you can't style it as a dress, but yeah, it's a skirt, so let's style it as a skirt only. It's really nice. It accentuates your curves and everything. But let me tell you, if you have a pear shape or an hourglass body type, you might have to do some alterations, since it's loose at the upper waist area. It's not that loose to the point that other people might see it or notice it, or any kind of malfunctioning happening to your outfit, but to the point that you will feel it's kind of bulging a little. So I would suggest you to maybe pin it at the back from over here, like a little pin over here, so that you are comfortable in what you're wearing. And uske upar I styled this top, but again you can style like a white top or maybe like a pearl top. Uske upar aap denim jacket bhi carry kar sakte ho. Again, will give a very French aesthetic wali vibe. And iske sath when I styled this one, I added this pearl necklace to match with the skirt, and these pearl earrings to again match with the skirt, and it gives off the vibe. I think it gives off the French aesthetic vibe. And iske ruffles and all, iski quality and all is also really nice. It's not see-through. Actually न्यू मी की मैंने ड्रेसेस भी ट्राई की है, जीन्स भी थी, एंड नाउ दिस स्कर्ट. सबकी क्वालिटी काफ़ी अच्छी है एंड अफोर्डेबल प्राइसेस पे भी हैं. एंड लेट मी टेल यू द प्राइस फॉर दिस वन. ओके, सो द प्राइस फॉर दिस वन इज 1200 rupees, which again is not too expensive, but it's also not very affordable for a skirt. But if you are someone who is looking for a skirt like this, maybe for your occasion, maybe for your birthday, maybe you want to go and wear this to your college fest, or your freshers is coming up, so you can definitely invest in this one, since it's super unique. This is very much in trend nowadays, and you will not see a lot of people wearing it. Yeah, so if you want to stand out in the crowd, you want to look unique, which definitely is my purpose all the time when I'm dressing up, to just have the most unique outfit. For some reason I always want that. So if you are someone like that, just try out the ruffled skirt. You can definitely invest in this one क्योंकि इसकी quality बहुत अच्छी है, and you can style it with a lot of different tops. You can style it with whites, your pastels, your blacks, your neutral color tank tops or crop tops. You can style it with a lot of outfits, and it will come in handy a lot of times, even when you are going for maybe a picnic date, if that's your thing. Maybe if you're just going out with your friends, your girl gang. So I think that's about it. I have covered all the bottoms. I hope you all enjoyed this video. If you did, like this video, subscribe to my channel, and thank you for watching.